Hi guys, and welcome to another WordPress video tutorial. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, we had a great question the other day. We're using WordPress here, as you can see. We're using the 2020 theme, which is one of the newest free ones that comes with WordPress. And somebody asked me, how do we make this top nav bar sticky? This menu bar up here. What I mean by sticky is when I roll up the page, it stays exactly where it is. Well, it's pretty easy to do with the 2020 theme, or any other theme really. Just need to write a bit of custom CSS, and don't let that put you off. I'll put the CSS code to do this beneath the video. You can copy it and use it if you wish. So let's get started. I'm using Google Chrome here because of the great Google Inspector tools, or Chrome Inspector tools here. If I right click on our header element here, there it is, the site header. When I roll over it with my mouse, you can see it highlighting there. With the Chrome Inspector, as long as you've got the Elements tab highlighted on one, it'll show you HTML, and Styles tab highlighted on the other, it'll show you CSS over here. So we've got our header, it's our site header, and as you can see it says site header right here. Okay, so we've got to change a few things. I'm going to do it on this one that says hashtag site header. First thing I'm going to do is uncheck the position relative. I'm going to say position fixed. Then we have to give it an actual position that we want it to be. So I'm going to write top :0 because we want it right at the top, and underneath that I'm going to write left 0 because we want it all on the left. And you can see it's sort of squashed up beneath this black bar at the top here because we're logged in. That's absolutely fine, it's going to display correctly. And we've put left, so it's all over to the left. We need to make it full width now, so I need to add one more and just say right 0 pixels. There it is. Now we've done that, if we scroll up, you can see the bars actually staying there. But because we've done this in the Chrome Inspector, as soon as I refresh, it's going to disappear and go back to normal. So we actually have to write this code into the theme itself. So to do that, I'm going to select it from the hashtag all the way down to the last entry we made, which was the right 0. Actually didn't have to put pix on the end of that. Let's just change that a minute. Just had to write 0, habit. Okay, so from the hashtag to the last entry, right. Control C to copy. Let's go back to our theme dashboard, because if I now refresh, you can see our header's no longer sticky. So let's go and write this code to our theme. So I'm on the dashboard. I'm going to go down to Appearance to Customize this time. And we want to write our code into the additional CSS box, which is at the bottom of the customizer right here. So let's just paste it in there, and we're going to be missing a closing curly tag. You've got an opening curly bracket right there. You've always got to have a closing one if you've got an opening one. So let's put that on the end there. Just drop it down the line. Now I've put that in there. When I scroll up, you can see that's a sticky header up there. So to make it final, what I'm going to do is just above it, I'm going to drop this down. I'm going to put a title in, because if we write a lot of CSS into your site, it's a good idea to have titles, which is // // makes it easier to find various sections of code if you're having to edit. And I'll just say fixed header, because we put it in between a // */ that won't be read as code, that's just a header right there. Let's publish our changes. Now that they're published, if we go back to the site, at the moment it's not sticky, but when I refresh, that code should have taken. This will pop up slightly. because we fixed it to the top, but it's going to stay there. Like I say, that may look a little strange with because we're logged in, we've got our actual black dashboard bar up there. But if I take this and put it into an incognito tab, Control-Shift-N, just paste that in there, we won't be logged in, and you'll see it how your viewers see it. There we go, and as you can see, that's absolutely perfectly sticky and aligned to the top. So that's how to have a fixed header with the 2020 theme. Really easy to do, just a little bit of code. Like I say, you can copy the code from down below this video. I'll put it down below there. You're more than welcome to use it if you need to. So I hope you found that useful and enjoyed it. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.